Go to this page, sign up for a Bitcoin wallet address, copy your wallet address, paste it into this box, hit start, and that is all there is to it. You can now start mining 1 BTC every 45 minutes. How are things going for everyone? Clever Money here, and I am back with yet another brand new technique to earn free Bitcoin. So stay tuned till the end of the video to find out how. So in this video, I'll show you how to earn 1 BTC every 45 minutes from the convenience of your own home. This method only requires a smartphone and an internet connection. I also double-checked that this method of getting Bitcoin is both beginner-friendly and safe. It makes no difference where you live because this method is available worldwide. It barely matters where you live in the world. You can still generate money with this. There is no need for prior knowledge or skills, but you must remain focused throughout the whole video in order to get all of the information you will be needing. Make sure you don't skip any essential steps that will help you get the most out of this program. So without further ado, let's get started on step 1. First thing is, I'd like you to go to Bitcoin.org. And once you're on the website, you will see this page in front of you. This website allows you to create a wallet for your Bitcoin currency because you will be needing that to hold all of the virtual earnings once you have already mined Bitcoin. It is important to realize that Bitcoin is not cash that you can store in your wallet, but rather a digital currency. As a result, we will require a virtual wallet. So what this website does is it gives you a Bitcoin wallet, as well as a variety of wallets that have a lot of features that allow you to get the perfect wallet for your unique needs. So the nicest part about this website is that it is completely free. It won't cost you anything. You can even buy Bitcoin on this website, but we'll just mine it for free because why pay for anything when you can get it for free? Just simply click choose your wallet, and then you'll be taken to this page. And then click next to be taken to the next page. Now over here, they've got these questions, and if you answer them exactly to your liking, you'll get a wallet made to your specifications. So first and foremost, we must select an operating system. If you are using a smartphone, they have options for Android and iOS. If you are using a computer, you can choose Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. I normally use Windows, but you can use Android or whatever operating system your device has. Here, we can observe the advantages and disadvantages of different methods. We can see that for desktop computer operating systems, the environment allows consumers to have complete control over their cash, which is a great thing. Hardware wallet support is also available in some desktop wallets. We will no longer utilize hardware wallets because I prefer having a virtual wallet because hardware wallets are not as safe as virtual wallets. So, we will simply remain with Windows and use a virtual wallet instead. So once you have read everything and decided which operating system you want, simply click Next, and you'll be taken to this page. Now in this section, I'm going to be honest and click on New because, well, all of you who are watching right now are probably beginners. And it is best to select New rather than Experienced because if you select New, you will get a guide. Whereas if you select Experienced, you will get confused about what is going on the website. So simply select New and then click Next. So now we're being asked for criteria. The most important thing is that we don't want to pay any fees and that we have complete control over our wallets. This means that our funds cannot be frozen or taken away by a third party. Simply check both of these boxes, and we'd like transparency as well. Just tick the boxes for control, transparency, and fees before moving on to the next page. Then you will be asked about the features you are looking for. So we will use two-factor authentication so that no one but us can log into our account. And after that, we won't be needing anything else, so simply press the next button. So now we have our wallet. And Electrum Wallet was chosen as the best wallet for us based on our specifications by the website. Since the questions we previously answered were assessed and this wallet was provided to us to use for mining, The Electrum wallet will be helping us throughout our entire Bitcoin journey. As a result, clicking on Electrum will lead me to a different page. You can see all of the features that this wallet has right here. So once you have finished setting up your wallet, we'll go on to step 2. I would like you to go to this website, bitcoin-live.app, for the second step. Now, this website will mine Bitcoin for us. 1 Bitcoin every 45 minutes to be precise. They also have their own affiliate program over here. So, what exactly does this mean? When someone signs up using your affiliate link, you will receive 70% off the deposit made by that person. If you use this program, you will be able to earn more money. Now, if you have a large social media following or if you run a crypto page, you can simply copy your affiliate link and post it on your Facebook page. You will receive 70% off the earnings of everybody who signs up through your link. Apart from Bitcoin mining, this is a great method to boost your income. Now let's get back to the point. This website mines Bitcoin for you in a very simple manner. We can look at their pricing, which is rather normal. You get a daily crypto key that mines Bitcoin every day, a weekly crypto key that mines Bitcoin every week, and all of these options are inexpensive. They also have a crypto key that is updated on a monthly basis. Personally, I like the monthly crypto key option because the fee does not cost so much and is only a very small amount in comparison to the end result. Your typical earnings will be between 1 and 3 BTC. By the way, BTC stands for Bitcoin. So just pick the plan that you believe best meets your needs because they're all reasonably priced. So go with whatever works best for you. So once you have made your decision, simply click Buy. It will redirect you to a new page where you may purchase it and copy your Bitcoin address for payment. So all you have to do now is copy this link and paste it into your Electrum wallet. And whenever this website mines 1 BTC or 2 BTC, those Bitcoins will be delivered to your wallet, ensuring that you may cash out your winnings with ease. So after that's completed, we'll begin mining Bitcoin. It will take some time until it is completed mining Bitcoin, but once it is, you'll be able to see the results immediately. The amount of Bitcoin you'll mine may vary according to the plan you purchase, but it will be between 1 to 3 BTC every month or day. The price of 1 Bitcoin is $42,189.89 at the time of recording this video. That is only 1 Bitcoin, guys. So consider this. If you could mine 1 BTC every 45 minutes, how much money could you make every day? Now that you've mined your Bitcoin, it'll be sent directly to your wallet, where you can pay out using PayPal, Pioneer, or deposit it into your bank account. So there you have it, guys. That's how you can mine Bitcoin on autopilot from the comfort of your own home. This can be an additional source of income for you, which is especially necessary right now while the world is still in the grip of a pandemic. So having a backup where you can earn money is really beneficial. I hope you gained a lot of knowledge from this video. Before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. That's all for today and see you next time.